Apple is about to change the game once again, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is at the center of it all. In 2025, this phone isn't just another upgrade. It's shaping up to be one of the most powerful and groundbreaking iPhones ever created. We're talking about a brand new A19 Pro chip with extreme performance, a lighter yet stronger titanium design, and the most surprising leak of all, under-display Face ID for a truly immersive edge-to-edge screen. And that's just the beginning. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is also expected to bring smarter AI-powered features, major battery life improvements, faster charging, and a next-generation camera system that could rival professional gear. Apple is clearly building more than just a phone here. It's designing the device that could define the future of mobile technology. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In today's video, we're diving deep into every confirmed feature, surprising leak, price rumors, and the release date of the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max. Trust me, you'll want to see what Apple has in store this year. Apple's iPhone has always represented the pinnacle of smartphone technology, blending cutting-edge design, unmatched performance, and innovative features into a device that millions of people eagerly anticipate every single year. In 2025, the conversation is already dominated by the iPhone 17 Pro Max, a device that is shaping up to be one of the most powerful and groundbreaking iPhones Apple has ever created. Every generation of the iPhone Pro Max pushes the limits of what a smartphone can achieve, but with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple is preparing to introduce surprising upgrades and confirmed features that may completely redefine the premium smartphone experience. The Pro Max lineup has always carried the identity of being Apple's technological showcase. From the introduction of larger displays and advanced cameras to the adoption of promotion, titanium frames, and powerful Apple silicon chips, each Pro Max model sets the benchmark for the industry. With the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple is not only responding to user demands but also pushing the industry forward into a new era of smartphone innovation. Leaks and industry reports surrounding the iPhone 17 Pro Max have painted a very clear picture of what to expect. Some of the most exciting details include a brand new A19 Pro chip built on an advanced fabrication process for extreme efficiency and raw power, a refined titanium design that makes the phone both lighter and stronger, and camera upgrades that could deliver professional-grade photography and videography directly from your pocket. Perhaps the most surprising development is the rumored under-display Face ID system, which could finally eliminate the notch and give users a truly immersive edge-to-edge display. Another major focus for Apple this year is expected to be AI-powered features. With Apple expanding its AI and machine learning capabilities across its devices, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could integrate smarter photography, real-time translation, intelligent app suggestions, and on-device AI assistants that work faster and more securely than cloud-based systems. For Apple, this is not just about keeping up with competitors like Samsung or Google. It is about creating an ecosystem where hardware and AI-powered software function seamlessly together. Battery life is also expected to see meaningful improvements, thanks to a combination of a more power-efficient display, optimized chip design, and a larger battery cell. For heavy users who rely on their iPhones for work, entertainment, and creativity, this could be one of the most impactful upgrades. Alongside this, Apple is also rumored to expand fast charging speeds and wireless MagSafe improvements, making the device more practical for everyday use. But perhaps the most exciting part of the iPhone 17